putting new handles on an X3. So take a T30, remove this plastic cover. Then you need to take a drill bit, make sure it's no bigger than this hole right here, drill out the rivet. I put the bolts facing outwards. I used some tin snips to cut freeway for this so that you can still have the stocked plastic piece and it's not open. I didn't show it, but this lever needs to be on the inside of the plate and not the outside, or else it'll rub. Now it's free. That's of course if you want to keep the stock plate on there, but I think you should because it looks a lot better. And if you do the stock plate, you just need to cut back to the crease right there and make this so it has freedom.